We deliver programs in schools, colleges and universities, in partnership with businesses and out in the community, empowering every young person to be a change maker.
Unloc is an organisation that works to give young people the opportunities that they may not have had beforehand.
We also deliver community programmes too, which are open access for all and all young people can experience.
It gives you the opportunity and it does exactly that. It unlocks your potential and your future. It helps you to develop yourself individually as well as its community.
We're a social enterprise on a mission to empower every young person to be a change maker.
We do that by developing young people's skills and confidence, empowering them to shape their own life and the world around them.
Working alongside businesses is a critical part of the equation too, enabling us to deliver even more opportunities to young people and connecting industries with our programmes.
Unloc are a company that has helped me gain loads of experience and opportunities, helping to empower young change makers like me and get where I want in life.
Over 300 volunteers from global leaders in industry support Unloc programmes as mentors, guest speakers and workshop contributors, giving young change makers unparalleled access to the very best inspiration, support and mentorship.
Unloc is an organisation that works to give young people the opportunities that they may not have had beforehand, using the pillars student voice, leadership, careers and enterprise. They work to make sure that young people can leave school and enter adulthood feeling more confident in their abilities.
Unloc are a group of people that really believe in young people and empower them with the skills and everything they need to make meaningful, positive change in the world.